UMbuso usolwa ngokuthi umnyango wezolimo eFree State wakhokha imali ezigidi ezingamakhulu amabili namashumi ayisishiyagalombili zamarandi enkampanini eyamaniswa nomndeni kaGupta iEstina ngo-2012. Lokhu kwakuhloswe ngakho ukufukula abalimi abamnyama eFrede.
I think this is the correct decision that I should be given a chance to come and say what I know about this matter, and I maintain it's the correct decision for the matter to be brought to court without me being judged unfairly when people do not know facts.
Amacala abhekene neEstina ahoxisiwe ngenxa yokuthi kuthengiswa izimpahla zakhona. Nakuba abamele lenkampani uKaman Vasram noAgeshnet Naidu bazoqhubeka nokuvela ngaphambi kwenkantolo.
As the NPA, we've done all we possibly can in the 280 million matter for it to be re-enrolled, and we are pleased with what we've done thus far.
Lezi inhlaka kulindeleke ziphawule embuzweni ebhaliwe ngaphambi komhla zingama-27 kuNhlolanja. Icala lehlisela umhla zingama-21 kuMbasa.
The pre-trial conference is postponed to 21 April 2023. The accused persons shall respond in writing to the Section 212B notice on or before 27 February 2023.